Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might be wondering how to move your Solana from Coinbase Wallet over to Robinhood. It's a straightforward process that can help you manage your assets more flexibly, especially with all the new features rolling out this year. In this video, I'll walk you through it step by step, so you can do it confidently and avoid any common pitfalls. Let's get started. First things first. Make sure you have both your Coinbase Wallet and Robinhood accounts set up and verified. You'll need some Solana in your Coinbase Wallet to withdraw, and remember, crypto transactions involve fees and potential wait times, so plan accordingly. Step 1. Open your Coinbase Wallet app or website and log in securely. Once you're in, navigate to your dashboard and find your Solana balance. It's usually listed under your assets. Tap or click on it to select. Next, look for the Withdraw or Send option. This might be a button or a menu item, depending on the interface updates in 2025. When you select it, you'll be prompted to enter the destination address. Here's where Robinhood comes in. Head over to your Robinhood app, go to your crypto section, and copy your Solana wallet address. Make sure you're copying the right one to avoid any mix-ups. Back in Coinbase, paste that address into the field provided. Double-check it for accuracy because crypto addresses are case-sensitive and errors can lead to lost funds. Then, enter the amount of Solana you want to withdraw, keeping an eye on any network fees displayed. These fees can vary based on blockchain congestion, so it's smart to withdraw a bit extra if needed. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm or Send. You'll likely need to approve the transaction with your wallet's security features, like a PIN or biometric verification. After that, sit tight. The transaction might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on the Solana network speed in 2025. Finally, jump back to Robinhood and refresh your account to see your Solana arrive. If it doesn't show up right away, don't panic. Check the transaction status on a blockchain explorer like Solana's official site. And there you have it. That's how you withdraw Solana from Coinbase Wallet to Robinhood in 2025. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. If you run into any issues, drop a comment below, and I'll do my best to assist. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. Thanks for watching.